It is safe to choose Hub Centric 4-lock to 5-lock wheel spacers.
For owners of old BMW 3 Series, choosing a 4-hub to 5-hub wheel adapters is unnecessary, especially when they need to replace aftermarket wheels, as most of today's cool performance wheels are designed for a 5-hub. By converting your BMW, you're opening up a world of wheel options and weren't originally available.
By providing a more even distribution of weight across a wheel assembly, Hub Centric wheel spacers can reduce the stress placed on individual components, such as the wheel bearings and suspension. This can increase the durability of components and reduce the risk of accidents and breakdowns. Hub Centric wheel spacers are designed to fit perfectly around the wheel spot, ensuring that the wheel's weight is evenly distributed across the hub. This minimizes the risk of vibration and ensures a better fit. And for Hub Centric wheel spacers relies on the lug nuts to center the wheel, which can lead to vibration and less precise alignment. Making Hub Centric wheel spacers generally considered the best option, especially for high-speed driving or demanding conditions. Good Hub Centric wheel spacers are designed for the racetrack that needs specific load requirements. BONOSS 4-lock to 5-lock wheel spacers with Hub Centric rings. The Hub Centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the beavers fit the corresponding hub spacers. This effectively ensures a firm wheel connection and better load transition. When it comes to the safest 4-lock to 5-lock wheel adapters, always choose the genuine brand set. Certainly, reputable manufacturers make nice commercial wheel spacers. A genuine brand becomes popular because it was developed a reputation for high quality. The manufacturing process is strictly regulated, and factories not only use processes that have been proven to be safe. The safest 4-lock to 5-lock wheel adapters go through many safety tests before leaving factory. That's all for today's video. If you need these 4-lock to 5-lock commercial wheel adapters, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye-bye.